Hello there. I'm back. Sorry, I had to get run out to deal with some stuff. But we're back for some real programming, grog programming hours. I'm gonna fucking stroke, dude. What's going on, boys? We are continuing on with day 14, the second half. We're gonna kick things off by me staring at Skyrim and eating pizza, because I'm hungry. pizza break over. Oh yeah, baby. Pizza time. All right, we're back, boys. Gangster time. Let's go. What are we doing? Well, we gotta make up for lost time. There's 2 hours of downtime. Unacceptable. I don't even know how long I was going for. I don't know. But we need to get back to it. This game ain't gonna make itself. Day 14, part 2. The sequel. So, I was in the middle of doing something. What exactly? I don't know. I think doing the crafting for the iron? Yeah, iron crafting. Let's do that. Alright, it's fucking go time, boys. Let's go. Alright. Iron seeds. So these guys will grow. And then we gotta make a crafting system. That's what we need to do. So buy crafting altar from shop, click to place functionality. Alright. Set up crafting altar. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call this bad boy like a building? E.is building. You know, fuck actually putting these in flags and packing them properly like a real man. We're gonna chuck a bull and call it there. Building. God, I'm all over the shop now. Gotta get my fingies back. Eh. Do some stretches, you know? Okay. Is building. So yeah, that's pretty much all. I think also just gonna do a shop category equal dot buildings, which is gonna completely fuck us up because now we're gonna have to scroll. This kind of sucks ass. I was hoping to put off this problem for a little bit longer. What do you mean undeclared? I just declared it. Oh, buildings. I swear I just did that. No, apparently not. Alright. L plus ratio. If we were playing the game right now, that might be off the screen. Damn. Can't really see it now because I have tools on me. But they would be off the screen. What is the solution to this problem? Well, I think we just reduce the size of the elements and put the problem a little bit further into the future. That's what I'm thinking, bro. Okay, so this is the shop. Wait. No, okay. Don't need to draw that. Category, draw text. Alright, I'm gonna make this guy. way smaller. Scale. 0.5. Now he's going to be smaller. Yes. Epic. Will that be enough? Probably not. Can we make the widget size smaller? Dare I say 14? Yes, we can. Now we'll have some room. Alright, problem solved. We live to do another day without implementing a fucking scroll wheel. Yeah. To be fair, it would be easy enough to actually page it. So maybe paging is probably better than the scroll wheel, but I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. Problem for another day, I like to say. Alright, yeah, so how are we going to do this crafting altar thing? The idea is you click, you buy, and then you like place it down straight away. So what's the image going to look like? Oh. Okay. Okay, big boy. This is fine. I've solved this before. I've just got to solve it in this one. How did I do this? I think if we go into the old C game, we will find draw sprite in rect with X form. Yeah, this is the quick math for sizing it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we could do that. Apply X form. Bro, what even is the X form? Oh, there's nothing. Alright, we can ignore that then. Alright, well... I guess it is time. This might take a minute. Okay, so first we construct the rect. pos size. It's just a rect. Okay. That by default maybe might do something. Okay, yeah. So now we're like squishing it completely. Awesome. Yeah, okay. So that, yeah, that's fine by me. Now we just gotta actually get this rect sized up properly. So step one, make it smaller. Size, we already have size. Yes. Offset, we already have that. What am I doing here? I'm basically just like making, yeah. Okay. That makes sense. Rect, shift. Rect.xy times -1. Okay, so we're getting rid of the minimum. In other words, we're just, if we do this, then we'll get rid of the thing. Okay, so rect.xy plus equal size times pad percent times 0.5. Pad percent we will throw up in here. Just 0.1 I think is a good default. Alright, so then rect.cw takeaway equal same dealio. If ever there has been an example of why Odin is superior to C, this is it. Same code, less lines. Rect shift this boy back by pause. I mean, yeah, it's just basic, like getting the same done. That's the exact same thing as this. It's just like less. Yeah, less. Better. Less is more, as they say. Alright, shrinks the rect if the sprite is too small. Okay. Just trying to wrap my head around what the fuck I even... Thanks for commenting it at least, Mr. Pass Randy. Good job. Alright, so we have a rect size now. I'm assuming because... I don't know. God damn it. There we go. Because, yeah, we would be a different height now. A different size. Size diff x is equal to rect size dot x take away image size dot x. If size diff x less than 0, size diff x equals 0. Interesting. And then we're doing the same for the y. Okay. Okay, and then we're kind of shrinking it to fit. Oh, okay, we're shrinking it to fit. That makes sense. So yeah, let's do the whole shebang again. Offset, I gotta cache it this time because it's actually gonna be a different number. Okay, so rect equal rect shift. Same dealio. We are just getting rid of the offset and then doing a little touch up. Rect.xy plus equal size diff times 0.5. CW take away equal size diff 0.5. And then we're shifting it back by the offset. Okay. Cool. And then the next one locks the ratio. Image size.x is greater than image size.y. And we are a long boy. Height is a ratio of width. Okay. Rect size. Rect W? Yes. Y plus okay. That makes sense. And now center along Y. New height rect dot W take away rect dot Y. Just for shits and gigs. Rect shift rect by 0. Rect size, so that's the original size. Take away the new height. Okay, times 0.5. I'm gonna trust that that'll just work, but it's really any man's guess. Moment of truth. Look at that. Perfect. Flawless copying of code right there. I guess I wrote it, so it makes sense to me. But yeah, that's how we do. That's how we do it. Epic time. I ain't fucking drawing another image. That would be cringe. Alright, so we're gonna do the inverse here. Else image size dot y is greater than image size dot x, also known as a tall boy. Same dealio, we just kind of like flip some shit around. Change new height to new width. And we do rect W. Instead of rect W, we do a rect max.x, xy, rect z. Okay, and then the rect y is rect x. Okay, and then the size is a ratio of the y, and then we flip these two. Y, x, y, yep. Yeah, So that should do it. One more, we've got this guy. Yes. Max.x, min.x, yep. Rec size y. Yeah, I think that's it. So that should be the whole kind of function for it. Cool. 3 different operations to come up with this harmonious crafting altar. Oh, look at that. Look at that big fucking chunky boy, dude. Alright, so now we just gotta place him down. We kinda hype. I don't know where he's gone. He just disappeared. Absolutely disappeared, mate. Crafting altar. Make it an item. Yeah, then it's gonna go in the inventory. Okay. Yeah, so now we just need to like instead of cursor UI, draw mouse item. Yep. So instead of doing this, we'll just basically do some mouse placement stuff. But I'm gonna need to do it above. So I'm just gonna do kind of want like a is placing in world. Maybe? Don't know. And is not placing building in world. Something like that. And this will be so if the held item data dot is building and app state dot hover frame hover consumed, and the hover isn't consumed. So that should now disappear when we move this off the edge. Yep. So now we can go ahead and place this in the world properly. We're gonna have to do this at like a different stage, I think. Yeah, maybe we actually just ignore this. Probs don't need this part. I don't know. Who knows? Do UI stuff. I think we'll go to the world UI stuff. Chunk buying. Above or below? I would say below. Building cursor thinger. So if placing building in world, then we will do our thing. So this might take a little jiffy, but I'm gonna type it out and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna copy it from the C game I did, because this again was a great reference, kind of the edge of what I've done so far when it comes to this. Yeah, it's literally right here. That's for rotating. Cursor, okay. Has room to place. We loop over all that. We do a preview. And yeah, it's actually pretty straightforward. Let's get cracking. Get mouse pause in world space. Mouse pause equal snap position to nearest tile based on arc. There's a fun one for you. So snap this position to the nearest tile based on the archetype of this guy. Very nice. Yeah, so I just gotta write that function. Snap position nearest tile based on arc. I actually think I already wrote this. Snap pause to nearest tile based on kind. Yeah, look, already did it. So that will work, I think. We'll see. Yeah, anyway, back to this. Now we're trying to figure out if we have the room to place. So we're trying to draw a preview. So I'm going to draw the preview real quick, just so we can get this guy up and running. So I think we'll do a... Not exactly sure, but we basically have to mirror whatever the renderer is doing. For now, it'll be easy enough to just do a mouse pause. And then throw in the held item data dot image ID. That should be good. Making the pivot. Center, center. Guess we'll see. Look at that. Too easy, mate. Too easy. I don't think this guy has... Yeah, this guy's a 1x1 right now, so we need to change that. Set up crafting altar. E dot tile size 2x1. There we go. Beautiful. So yeah, that's gonna snap perfectly to the tile grid now. You have no idea how long this math fucking took me. Inside this function is probably like a collective, I don't even know, few days at least of like trial and error over the years and trying to figure this shit out. Yeah, that's sexy. So that's it. That's like the whole thing, really. That was easier than I thought it would be, because I've already done it, I guess. So yeah, next is just like clicking it to place it down. And like making sure that we can actually place it and all that kind of stuff. So, can or has room to place. Default to, I think we default to true and then we just look at over the tiles. Tiles at pos from entity kind. Tiles, and then we just loop over these guys. Check for existing entities at tiles. Boop. Get tile pause. Is tile empty? False. If it's not empty, yeah, we break this. Also, if tile dot kind. Actually, that's what is tile empty does, right? Yep. Okay, done. Do some color override stuff. If we don't have the room to place, I'm going to override it a bit with the red. Whoops. There we are. Very nice. So it shouldn't be placing on those guys. So I guess we gotta do our own kind of thing. Is not empty tile and tile dot kind equal dirt. Or it doesn't have room, or Kyle Tyne is not equal to dirt. My bad. There we go. Awesome. So getting this in the world properly might be a pain in the ass. So I don't know how to like sort this into spot. I guess we can kind of just ignore that for now and come back to it. Maybe. Don't know. Ay, ay, ay. I am fucking exhausted. Okay. Then if has room to place and key just pressed. Left mouse. Now we spawn the entity. Yeah. That's all we really need to do. Yeah, look at that. Just placing some altars down, my brother. Beep, boop, beep. Beep, beep. Me and the boys just chilling with our crafting altars. So we go held item amount takeaway equal 1 if this is less than or equal to 0, then we 0 it. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Did that like insta place? Actually, alright, what happened there? We click buy. Okay. It looks like nothing is happening, but things are happening. So yeah, we should probably in fact do this guy. Otherwise shit's gonna hit the fan. Awesome. Yeah, that's perfect. Whoosh. 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 Awesome. Well, that's building done. That was easy. I mean, I guess that kind of goes to show how easy things are when you're just copying from existing code base. And it's been done before. That is, yeah, man, I'm fucking speedrunning this. Holy shit. To be fair, this is like my 3rd time doing that, so getting there. Yep, so we can place that down now. I think yeah, I think we just gotta actually make it functional now. So what's the functionality for this bad boy gonna look like? Well, I also want to give it collision. Otherwise that'll be El Cringe. Also need to figure out a way of destroying these guys. I don't really know about that yet. Maybe we just click to destroy. No, that's kind of weird. Yeah, hungry boy. Yeah, maybe just click to destroy. I don't know. Yeah, I would say click to destroy. So, out of all the buildings, okay. What do I usually call this? I know that my reflex was to just go to place there. Building. Okay. So yeah, I think just pull one of these flags. Now this is a little sus because if I do flags here, then it's gonna stomp over them from here. So, oh, I don't know, dude. It's almost better to actually it's literally almost better to just fucking say, fuck this. We're gonna have bulls for everything instead of flags, because then you have to think about. Are we gonna stomp over the flags or not? I don't know, man. Which flags are constant and which aren't? But if you break it out into a bull, it kind of just solves everything. Less thinking, which is, I guess, kind of cool. I'm gonna actually pull out destroyable. Into a flag. Into a bull. Why not? Maybe we do this in the setup phase though. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, fuck it, we ball. We're gonna just do it in the setup. Less refactoring. Less refactoring means less pain. Setup. Crafting. Alter. E.flags. Destroyable. We'll do this. Then the drops is just going to be itself. I reckon. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's good enough. Might get kind of annoying if you accidentally hit it a bunch, but I guess just deal with it then. That works for me, honestly. It'll be fine. So, next order of business is placing things down on top. Now, yeah, I think it's just a matter of clicking on it. It doesn't even have to be from close up. We could do it from anywhere, I think, kind of like this guy, to make life easier, maybe. I don't know. Not quite sure. Not quite sure. Oh yeah, at least that's building stone, so I can push that up. So yeah, we just need like crafting functionality. Need to click to place it on the stone. Click to place item on stone. Okay. I think we have a max of like 4 things. I don't think we'd ever need anything more than 4. Maybe even 3. Like, I don't see us using anything more than 3, but... we can say 4. Why not? Can probably even make it better than, you know, a crafting stone like this as well. We can probably, like, make something a bit more sophisticated, I don't know. But I think this'll do just fine. For the time being. Also like to stop this guy from being so goddamn hungry all the time. Like, I'd like him to only be hungry when we're kind of like doing this nearby. When we're over here, it's kind of a bit annoying. Because I'm just trying to play the game. So yeah, we probably got to do something about that. Oh. Guy's taking a while to grow. Yeah, so just click to place. Should be fine. Alright, I'll tell you what. Is Hole excited? I'm gonna have a mouse pause in world space. In range. Mouse pause, so the 1 elg distance between the mouse and the hole pause is less than 200, is in range, is hole excited, can suck, or force excitement. I think we'll do one of those. That way. Yeah, he's got a range. So I'll probably make that 100 or something. Yoink. Maybe even like 70. You know, ideally I would actually make it based on, instead of a blue, we would make it a he's more like a scalar. But yeah, that's good. Interaction time. So I guess we'll just, you know, try and figure this out. We'll say I mean, this isn't hitting anything right now, so we can even just put this down the bottom. Else if held item data dot kind is not equal to nil, and something like mouse entity entity a tile. Could probably rename that to mouse entity actually. Cool. Mouse entity and held item data dot kind. No, okay, so and mouse entity dot kind is equal to crafting altar. For now, we'll just hard code this. Okay. So, I think what we want to do here is, well, I think for now we should be able to get away with like just do one of these, like some kind of selection. Frame. Do we have a color override? Yes, we do. It's equal to if has room left. Hard code this for now. Color override, we're gonna make it kind of like slightly white. Just as kind of like a little selecty thing. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Me likey. Yeah, so then we'll just click and put it on the altar. If key just pressed left mouse. Consume key. God, I fucking hate typing this out. Would love autocomplete. Okay, consume key just pressed, and we'll take. I'll basically just take the held item dot amount take away equal 1. Held item if held item amount less than or equal to 0. And we zero this motherfucker out. Yeah. So that's going on the thing. So we'll go mouse entity dot items. Yeah, I would just say like a flat array like that or something. For item in items, if item dot kind not equal or is equal to nil. Then we're gonna put this guy on except we're gonna set the amount to 1 and then break. Okay. So yeah, that should be good, I think. Also, I just realized we actually just want to go in here and regardless do one of these. Because we'll actually want to do an else here. So if kind is equal to nil, then we've got nothing on there. Else so this is where we'll actually pop off. But no, here we'll put it on to begin with. So, cannot dereference item of item type data. I think I can just do this then. Maybe. Let's hope. So yeah, that should place things onto the thing. I'm just gonna keep adding stuff here. Why not? If kind equal crafting alter, then I want to draw the images on top. So we'll do one of these. If item not kind is not equal to nil, then we want to put this in an array so we can prefetch the size. Actually, you know, we can just do one of these. Actual count. Let's equal 1. And here we'll be able to loop it again. Because I just want the count so I can calculate like the midpoint and center it properly. So yeah. Draw sprite. Kind of doing UI. X0, Y0. Just call it pause, I guess. Pause plus equal. I think we'll pause.y plus 6 or something. I don't know. So I'm going to draw the sprite at pause. Image. Entity data. Item kind. Oops, what the fuck did I just do? Oh no, I've done something. Yeah. Oopsie daisies. Alright, draw sprite, item data dot image. ID. Okay. And then, yeah, I guess just pause plus equal. Item length. Say that's 8. Or like 16, I don't know. Yeah, so that'll do. What to see? Let's gather some resources. Look at that. It's trying to get me to click place. Okay. Right, these are being consumed. So you probably want to like throw them up the top. I don't know. Nice. So yeah, I think I want to throw this up the top more. Maybe. There we go. So yeah, there we go. That's it. That's the functionality. Actual count. Divided by 2 times it by item length. Not quite buckaroony. Okay, I think that's it. We'll see. Yeah. Kinda. Not really. It's good enough, I think. No, it's not. It's not good enough, alright? How do I center a div, or... What I do know is that the inventory has the exact same logic. So how about we look at that? What is it? Give me the money! So length is equal to this. Whatever the fuck this is. Slot length times slot count. I mean, yeah, that's kind of it. Or this isn't item length, this is advance. This is how much we advance by. Maybe this will be it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh. Well, that is Dunskies. So now we just got to do the crafting side of things. I'd like to pop these guys off. Because right now they're not being popped. And it's very sad. Oh, crafting altered. Where do the system be, my friend? Where are you? Here. Crafting. Alright, so going to loop over all these fuckers. Right there. Mouse items kind equal nil. Has item count plus equal 1. Is not equal to nil. Item count plus equal 1. Okay, so has room left if item count is less than the length of the items. Okay. Has anything on is just not if item count not equal to 0. Okay, if has anything on, then we're gonna get ready to select this guy and do a little pop. So yeah, we'll just kind of loop through these guys and kind of pop it off, I think. Pop off the first one. Maybe we do like a first in, first out thing. I don't know. Just a stack. I have no idea. We'll just pop them off however we see fit. How about that? Yes, sir. Okay. Alright, so we're looping over these guys. If it is not equal to nil, then we're just making a ground entity. To entity drops. Yeah, we're just kind of doing one of these. Entity create item kind. Mouse entity pause. I don't really know what to do here because we can't find the exact spot. So yeah, we'll call it good enough. Do I have any Z stuff? I think I do. Should probably get around to that. So I can do a better pop animation. That's alright there. I think this will be good enough. Just kind of do that. Alright. And we will say item equal this. And we shall break. Bonk. Yeah, it would be nice to have some better visuals for that. But I guess we could like is this even gonna have velocity? I don't know. No. A little bit hopeless. Oh well. Yeah, that's fine. This is like the last thing that I need to polish right now. I just will simply not do that. Okay, well that's working. You can put any kind of combination of items on here. So now all that's left to do is we just gotta actually craft these guys. Man, this UX feels a million times better than what I had in Arcana. Holy shit, dude. This is actually good. Bonk. Yeah, so I just gotta do like actual crafting recipes now. And then we are almost there. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm gonna call this to do. Click add/remove func on crafting LTR. There we are. So actual craft mechanic. So this guy, iron essence times rocky vinyl. Gotta figure out how to do that recipe right after this very short break. Alright. Vibe check, boys. How we doing? We vibing? Better be. Or else. Where we at? 5,400 lines. Putting in some work. Alright, so actual craft mechanic, hey? How are we gonna do that? Well, we really just need like a data table of all the recipes. It ain't that bad. Just gonna throw it down here, fuck it, we will. Craft recipes. Is this the thing? How do we do a little double array? Don't even know, dude. An array of an array. I don't know. How do I want to do this? I don't know. I think I did it earlier though. I know it involved dynamic. Yeah, this guy. Could just do that. I wonder if this'll work though. Like what? What is this, bro? Item data. I have no idea what I'm doing, dude. What am I actually trying to do here? Well, I want like a single kind. I don't know, bro. Fucking. Output ingredients or input. That's what I want. Will this work? So output equal dot in. What did I want to do here? Now we're making progress. Getting around the content. Almost there, boys. Iron ore. output iron ore, input we don't even need item data, we probably just need entity kind. Same for this. Make it 1-to-1. Maybe we need something more on the output, because like what if we did wanted to have like 3 get produced from the recipe. So yeah, maybe we do want the item data here. Kind amount 1. Okay. Kind is, we'll have a stone rock item amount 1 plus iron essence amount 1. Alright, this is gonna hurt my brain a bit to think about. Alright, we don't actually need these guys, because we are always assuming that we are just 1 on the input side of things. Okay. Alright, that works. So that will be how we make recipes. Cool. That works for me. Alright. What now? Well, we gotta actually like match this recipe and then make it. So update fuck it, I'm just gonna throw it in here. Craft alter do thing. The more I type, the less I care. I just want it done. Crafting alter. Okay. Items in here. So yeah, I'm gonna loop over recipe in craft recipes, and what we will do is we'll basically see if we have a match. Match recipe. By default, I think we'll make it true. Maybe? Maybe false? What's the algorithm for this? Loop over all recipes. Inside the recipes, loop over... Okay. inside the recipes, loop over recipe item in recipe dot input. And inside that, alright, so up here, recipe match equal true. And in here, item match equal false. So then we loop over all the items and we say if item kind is equal to recipe item item match true, and we break. Okay, and then at the end here, if item match, or if item not match, recipe match false, break. Alright, maybe that'll do it. I don't know. I feel like I've written this exact thing a few times now. I think that's it. If recipe match do craft through epic craft time. Yeah, so we could do like an animation or something, but to keep it simple, I think I'm just gonna merge everything together and call it a day. So item match, loop through these guys. Okay, actually we kind of want to invert this. And say oh fuck, I don't even know. It's hard because this isn't a dynamic array like we're checking for nil. Okay, we're looking down in the recipe item. We're trying to find if that item is on our thing. Right? Right. If the item isn't on our thing, then we're false. And we break. But if the item is on our thing, then we'll just continue. Now if the item isn't on our thing, but there's another item that's also not included in our thing, then like what do we do there? I don't know, dude. I guess that might be fine, because by default it's false. False match. This is confusing. But I'll think about this a little bit harder later on, because I think that might work. Okay. Do epic craft time, wherein we will take the recipe that we've got and take the recipe that we've got and we'll yeet everything in the items. So fucking get rid of all those. And we'll basically just create a new item. Make ground item. Just like we did over here. So for this, we want to go recipe.kind. No, recipe.output. Nope, that's a item data.kind recipe.output. There we go. Alright. Cooking. So that theoretically should take what is our recipe? Rock and iron essence. And it should give us a bit of fucking raw iron, mate. I actually don't know how I'm gonna get iron essence. I guess I'll just spawn some in. Dig a Chad moment. Iron essence and stone item. Rock item. There we go. Okay. Moment of truth. Put a rock on there and we'll chuck some iron assets on there. It looked like it did something to me. It's not letting me destroy this. Oh. L plus ratio. Because my click is overriding it now, because we have empty mouse. That is why. So we actually need to break this out. Otherwise, shit'll hit the fan. Okay. It looks like it does something, right? Don't exactly know what that something is, though. Like maybe it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I don't know, man. I don't know. Well, what actually is the iron ore? Or I haven't even done anything here, so that's probably why it's being sus. Needs smelting. Oh yeah, look at that. Got iron ore in our inventory. So yeah, click that with that. Crafting. Easy as that. Easy as that, boys. It's so free. Now making that an animation is probably ideal. Watering can. It's such a like a anticlimactic thing. I don't know. Discovered watering can. Yeah, so I'm not gonna like give the player any kind of fucking crafting advice. Maybe I should. I don't really know how to do it, honestly. I just want them to experiment. But I can see how, well, this in the description says combine with stone. So, I don't know. Maybe people will figure it out. I doubt it though. Maybe like 70% of the people will figure it out. That would be my guess. Or maybe even like 80. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Crafting stone on top of crafting stone. Yes. We have finally achieved it. World peace has been achieved. Yeah, so I probably want to turn that into an animation to make it better. But I mean, it's kind of... You could play a sound. Craft. Yeah, we'll do one of that. One of those, mate. That'll work. That didn't do shit. Did I forget to build or something? I don't know. Yeah. Here we go. So yeah, I'll need to make that look pretty later on, but that is good enough for me. For now. Or imagine accidentally just... There goes all of your essence. Like saving up a bunch or something. And it's just fucking L. In the hole. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's the whole kind of end-to-end of getting the ore. Now we need to do the second crafting table, which is a furnace of its smelting. Yeah, this is gonna take some time. Maybe. The furnace might be quicker. No, because I'll have to do like... Yeah, I don't know, dude, I don't know. Probably take me another hour or so, and we're running out of time for the day. So, something needs to get shipped. I think what I want to do is we'll just to get something playable. I'm going to change this from raw iron ore to iron ingot. And now we can just go to town on this guy. Shiny. And use him in the third or the second reward hole in the third chunk for a bit of extra content. And the reward will be thanks for playing the game. I'll just fucking boot you out. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm out of content. Yeah, that's it, bro. Alright. 1 across to the right, and then -1 will chuck you down here. Another reward hole. Single recipe. Iron ingot. Like 50. Reward item? Fucking jack shit, bro. I could reward them with some fiber seeds. That would be evil, bro. Oh no. That would be so evil. It's even worse than just like booting them out of the game. It's like getting coal in your fucking stocking, bro. I think I'll do it. I'm running out of time. We could also just make this a lot bigger, like 150. Reward fiber seeds. Which is like a single, one single fiber. Oh man. Okay. Well, believe it or not, I think that's a complete game. I just gotta do the balancing, and then we can basically be ready to go. Some of the iron in the hole. Sweet. Yeah, look, it's not perfect, but we've got to release, so I'm going to call that a day. Change back to iron ore. Change recipe back to iron ore. Smelt. Reward. Proper reward for iron ingot. That would be great. For iron ingot hole. Okay, so I'm going to put this below the line now. And we're going to do everything above this line and call it a day. Alright, one by one, let's knock them out. I'm going to commit this up real quick and I'm going to say crafting altar. Buildings and crafting altar. Building, placement and crafting altar. Done. Okay. Very nice. Alright, let's crank. Potato grows slower than carrot. Okay. Set up potato plant. Slow growth, hey? What did I say about the carrot? Make carrots grow slower. Okay, so I'm gonna fucking change this to like 80 maybe. I'll fucking do it, bro. I'm a madman. Maybe 60. These have 3 growth stages. What do the carrots have? Carrots have 2. So by default, these guys will kind of just grow slower. So that's kind of fine. Okay. Potato sell for 100. I will trust you, Mr. Pass Randy. Thank you. Yep, so these will take a long ass time to grow. And that will be good. Okay, so those up there. Make rocks 50. As in sell price. Okay. Increase watering by 4x. So 60, I'll just times it by 4, I guess, 4 minutes. Just trusting my past self here. Absolutely crank the chunk costs. Okay. So to the right, 50. I think we'll keep it as 50. But for the one below, I think I already made this bigger earlier. And I think 500 might be fine. But this guy, you know, I think we want to crank it up to like 2,000. And then make the rest like 3,000. Even like 4,000. Hopefully that's good enough. We'll see. Disable rock seed glow. Give it random reward. Reward the randomness. I see where you're coming from, but it's a little bit too hard right now. We can disable the glow. Yeah, alright, fuck it. We bowl. So, render. Verifying the particle effects. Special rock particles. Alright, so I'm going to disable this. And we'll basically make it so that on destroy. So we don't really have an on destroy, but I'm just gonna go look at the entity destroy. If entity dot kind equal rock and change this to en. Ain't gotta type out the whole entity. Come on, man. And literally what we were at earlier down here. Is special rock. Then play sound. What? Some kind of like special break. I don't know. So usually we're just clicking. Fucking just explode. That'll work. I just want to find like the growth particle effect and just copy paste that fucker. Throw you in there. Okay, so now when we destroy the special rocks, by default they shouldn't even show, but I guess we'll kind of luckily pick some. Come on. You can do it. Actually, I don't think we have any special rocks in the starting chunk. I just fooled myself. Maybe we do. I don't know. I'm fucking scared, dude. I'm like waiting for it. What if I'm being trolled right now? There it is. That's kind of horrifying. This guy's got to be the other special one. No? There's only one? L? Yeah, so I guess we just make them all special rocks. I don't really know how I feel about that, though. Because it's like... spawn entity and chunk. Right, this is where I do it. Special rock count. You get 3. Okay. It's just kind of like a sound effect, you know. Why am I like, am I getting incredibly lucky? I think I was. Alright, I've got one. Yeah, I want to make this not shit. So that is bad. Yeah. Good enough. That'll do me. Yeah, I mean, it's not really clear. Maybe it is. It's just we kind of get it randomly sometimes. Probably help if we displayed like a text thing when we pick up items to show what's actually being picked up, but that's all right. I think we should be chill. Yeah, that's definitely gonna go unnoticed, but it shouldn't really the first time because you get like a big unlock notification for it, so it should be fine. I've made that 3, but it should not be 3, it should be 100. I think for testing I was just trying to make it small. My bad. Okay. Yeah, well, I guess that'll do the to-do. I just wanted to disable the glow to reduce, like, overwhelm visually. And do some, like, random reinforcement. Probably gotta do a better job at it, but... you know, I think it's fine for now. Balancing. Yes. Okay, so make carrots grow slower. Set up. Set up carrots. Carrot plant. I think I already changed it to make it grow slower. Is an extra 10 seconds really going to be slower? I don't know. Maybe 45. Who knows? Maybe we need to like make him way slower. I don't know. Maybe that's too slow now. Who knows? Increase second plot of land to 500. Already did that. Respawn grass. Make shiny grass range drop 5. Increase fiber sell price. Yes, this would be good. But it would probably take another like 30 minutes or so for a respawn mechanic. Make shiny grass range drop fiber seeds. Okay. Increase fiber sell price. Yes, we're doing the same thing with the rocks, but like explicitly making them shiny. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be tricky. I think instead of doing that, I'm actually just gonna do a % chance on the fiber seeds. % chance, 30%. This is really scuffed. I should not be doing this, because like 10 times 30% chance, there's a chance that some players won't even get fiber seeds. And that kind of sucks balls. So yeah, actually I should not do that. I should... Oh wait, that's on the fiber. Okay, yeah, my bad. Yeah, I should make it like what I did with the rocks in the gen. Basically make it constrained. So in the grass, spawn entities in chunk. We'll just do a special case. Fiber, shiny fiber count. If kind equal dot grass, shiny grass count. Shiny grass count equal 4. Okay, so if kind equal grass and shiny grass count, we will do this. Fiber seed. Or is it called grass seed? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I should only get 4 in total from each chunk, which I guess is good. Okay. Yeah. Shiny grass variant. don't know if I should make it visual or not. I'm kind of torn. Maybe... Actually, maybe we just... Maybe we have a new concept of shiny that gives extra resources. So that way it's like a different concept. I don't know. Don't know. What I do know is that we only have one item left on the to-do list, and it is dark. We are starting the day, or we are finishing the day exactly how we started, 12 hours later. Ready to build this motherfucker for itch.io. That was a good day, I'll say. Yeah, so I guess it's time to do a little cheeky release build and a self playtest. I haven't done a release build yet in Odin, but I would imagine it's pretty straightforward, I guess. Let's go peep the docs. I'm guessing we just remove the debug flag. Okay, there's Odin debug. We'll probably just pass in like pass in like a optimization thing. Tell it to optimize. Maybe by default it just doesn't do that. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Optimize. Yeah, I got no idea, dude. Maybe we just get rid of the debug flag and call it a day. I don't even know. It's in the FAQ. Maybe it's just not here because whoever uses Odin doesn't actually release anything. Maybe, dude. It's like, what? Release build for what? Aren't we supposed to be working on our own engine? And never release anything? No, I mean it's probably like well, you don't need a release build if you have a good language or something like that. I don't know. Release build in Odin programming. Ginger Bill. I gotta like give it as many keywords as possible. Dash opt 3. This seems like cap. Where is this coming from? Give me the source, bro. Flashback. Yeah, opt 3. Bro, I'm not seeing anything. Do 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 do. Come on, bro. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Prefer to use LLVM backend dash LLVM. LLVM. Where you at, bro? Alright, tell you what. Do we have a... How do I get help on the build? Burden build help. There we go. Alright, way more shit in here that isn't in the docs. Dash R. Alright, so ChatGPT wasn't capping. But like, where the fuck did that even come from, dude? Don't know. But I guess we'll throw in the dash up 3. Call it a day. That will do me. So build.bat, I'm going to clone this bad boy. Build release.bat. Okay, so we go to the debug, throw in the dash R3 or whatever the fuck. Dash R available options. Alright. ChatGPT was hallucinating. Oh, speed. Aggressive. Use this with caution. Default is O minimal. I am a man of speed. I am a man of great speed. Well, I think that's kind of all we need, I guess. I just got to make sure that when I'm initting this guy, SG setup environment, shader debugging equal to Odin debug. Yep, okay, cool. Yeah, so that I guess should be a release build. Only one way to find out. Build, release, commence. Lovely. I would like to push D, build, release, if not exist, build, release, Make build release. I don't know if that's an actual thing. God, I fucking hate using batch. I should just use Jai for this. No, that'd be cringe. Wouldn't be cringe, but it'd be easy to copy this. Alright, what the fuck am I doing, dude? Pop D. Maybe? Is this valid dot bat? Alright, I'm gonna trust you with that, buddy. I got my eye on you, though. Yeah, you're capping, fam. What? What? Come on, bro. Why you gotta do me like that? You're almost right. Source.exe. Except we gotta copy the res. Okay, yeah, I'm 100% gonna make a fucking Jai script for this. Gotta copy the res, and we gotta copy the fucking fmod. I think that's all we need, actually. For what? What are you smoking? Alright, this dude's tripping. So we gotta do a my face is completely dark now. Testing. We've got to okay. When debug else this. Thank you. False and false. Good, sir. Thank you. Again. Onwards. Onwards, good sir. Compile. Bro, what is happening? What? Hello? Oh, nothing's happening. There we go. Already did it. Speed. Oh yeah, now we're talking, dude. Yes, sir. Play. Alright. Straight gaming. Oh yeah, fucking give me some of them grass seeds, bro. Hit me with it. Fucking straight gaming right now, dude. Oh, just enough space. Look at that. And this has the added benefit of like, we're saying to the player, oh, look at all this content you can explore. Isn't that cool? I don't know how we're gonna unlock this guy though. Like, how the fuck do we unlock the building? Game's balked right now, dude. How the fuck do we unlock the building? Oh, I don't know. I think when we pick up the item essence, we can just force unlock this. It's probably not a bad idea. Let me turn the light on real quick. Alrighty, so to force unlock the building, yeah, I think we'll just go into the pickup here. And in the item, add item to inv, I'm basically gonna say if item kind equal dot iron essence, then we'll unlock the building. Item to unlock is crafting altar. So I think that should do a good job. No. I think I'm just gonna fucking bail out of this if we fail. So if we are already unlocked, return. That way you can just hit this all the time. That should be good. Okay. Yeah, so when we grab the fucking when we grab the thingamajigos, we should be able to unlock. When we grab the iron essence, we should be able to unlock the building. Make that better in the future, but for now, that's gonna do me well. Build release. I feel like that's the most common thing that I say. We'll make it better in the future, but for now, that'll do me. I think that's like words to live by when it comes to game dev. Just like doing a quick little pass on things and then circling back around to it in future instead of trying to like perfect it straight away. I don't know. Just keep swimming, boys. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Alright, open this guy. I would like to get rid of the console. So I'd also like to see crashes from people. Oh yeah, alright. I'm actually gonna have to figure that out next before releasing. Crash log file. Now, I don't exactly know what to do for that. I remember in Arcana I did a scuff thing where I like clone the fucking STD out, an STD error, and like put it into a file. So maybe I do something similar here, I don't know. Not sure, dude. Not sure. Everything also goes through logs, so I think we could just do that as well. It's like write this to a file. Not sure. Disable console on release. So for that, I am going to go to the init here. Detach console. Is that a thing anywhere? Like free console. It's what the thing is on Windows. Console. Oh, we might be able to do something in Circle. SG SAP description. Okay. We got Win32 console attach. Console create false. It says default false, but like it's not a thing. Yeah, I don't know. We can do a scuffed, because I know on Windows that's just a free console. And that'll get rid of it. So when not debug free console, probably have a release flag here, but that's okay. It's just it's just a not debug, dude. Easy win. Yep. So that will be a bit better. But now errors are gonna disappear. So I don't really know how to get errors piped out to a text file. And I don't really feel like figuring that out right now, because it is almost bedtime. Yeah. Anyway, this will be good enough. I'm gonna upload it to itch. And do something with it. I think tomorrow we'll work on recording a trailer and getting the Steam page submitted. And then probably also just work on a WASM build, honestly. But yeah, I would consider this version 0.1, so I'm gonna send it out to some people to playtest, and I'll basically just do some playtesting. So like the goal here right now, is, yeah, just to do some kind of one-on-one play testing to see what the game is like. So yeah, this isn't going to be a full demo launch, I don't think, but internally, in my mind, I'm considering this like a V1 demo launch, I would say. Because, like, you know, it's basically game done. V1, v0.1, done and dusted. Very epical. Very much epicness. Yes. Delicious. Boop. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little playtest here just to make sure that everything's kind of working. Yeah, hopefully the game works. I guess we'll find out. Come on, Mr. Grassy, grow. I got more to place. Nice. Yeah, so there's nothing to do right now. I would love for the grass to respawn so that there would be more to do. Grass respawn, less grass seeds. That would be amazing. Because then I'd be actively kind of hunting and pecking. Looking for a grass seed. I also need to stop this from like hovering straight away. I kind of need to like only hover when we're at the border, maybe. Come on. I'm one gold away. Alright, I think I'm gonna order some food as well. I'm a little bit hungry. Oh yeah. Water can. And the hoe. The deadly combo. I'm gonna need to farm some more fucking grass first though. I'm gonna farm this shit up. I need to buy some more seeds. I like that not all the grasses are dropping seeds. It might be a bit confusing to the player right now, but oh yeah, that's a fucking chunk. Hoe and watering can. Let's go, dude. Alright, let's get some fucking carrots planted down for the long haul. Yes, sir. I might snag me some more grass seeds, I reckon. Get on that grass grind. I like this because there's a choice of me giving them to here or getting more gold. Now I know that like I want to focus gold right now, but later on these grass are going to become useless as I like have gold through potatoes and shit. So this is going to be a nice kind of mid-game thing where I'm like now farming grass, not for the sake of gold, but for unlocking this hole. I think that'll be pretty cool. So I think I still might just try and fucking max out on grass seeds still. So I'm gonna need a lot for the hole. Already the game's more interesting now than it was this morning. Like there's more I'm thinking about here. So I guess that's a good sign. And those carrot growths, that feels nice. I'm not having to water them as much So that's definitely an improvement. Balancing paying off. Okay, what do we got? 50. Can I buy anything? Nope, I can't do jack shit. That's alright. Oh yeah, fucking carrot. Yeah, mate. Oh yeah, fucking 50 bucks. Let's go, dude. Alright, so I think my goal right now is to save up for this guy. So I think to do that, I'm just gonna max on the carrots. Because that is gonna be my opportunity vehicle. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I mean, this is great. I love this. I have something to do. The grind feels good towards the 500. Like it feels like it's within reach, but not too easily in reach. You know? Maybe we do more grass seeds. I'm gonna fucking grass this shit up, dude. Yeah, getting some kind of like sickle, I think, would actually be pretty cool. But I think I want to save the 3x3 sickle that I did the other day for when I've actually got combat in, because I'll make that feel way, way better with combat. Because I'll make it like actually do a swing animation and it'll feel a million times better. Ooh yeah, got another carrot. Let's chuck that down. Fuck yes, dude. Look at all this grass. 5-head play. Plant grass whilst farming grass. It's gonna be an interesting game to speedrun. Probably got to give more variety on the startup, so that there's more of like a path, I guess, to speedrunning maybe. But yeah, this is it's feeling good. Yeah, so I'm saving up for this now. It's pretty far out of reach. Maybe 500's a bit much. Probably not. I think if I grab another couple carrots, we should be good. Yeah, I think when I balance the grass seeds a bit more, it might be better. I don't know. This also feels fine right now as well. Like there's nothing wrong with this. Like maybe having like less grass seeds, but I don't know. Oh, actually, I could have 100% gotten the iron by now. I'm just like too lazy. Yeah, I should stop selling these guys because these are worth like nothing. So I should start saving up for the hole over here. But yeah, carrot time. Yeah, I'm gonna start putting all my gold, all my fiber into the hole. Into the fiber hole. Let's go, dude. 27. Nice. We are a quarter of a way there. Go! Fiber! Nice. Yeah, I think the watering, it's got a nice ring to it right now. Yeah. Gotta like fucking plant these down as soon as they're ready to go. Maximize that shit. Alright, we're getting close to the old 500. 2 more carrots, we can unlock that. Alright, 29 more of those fuckers. And then we're cooking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And 1 for good luck. Okay, 26, 3 more. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. Iron seeds, 200 bucks. All right, I'm gonna save you for the unlock. Buck, I'm out of. Need more. Need more carrots. This will put me over the edge. Yes. Oh, tremendous. Oh yeah. Fucking potatoes. Dude. 200 bucks right there. Bang. Huge. Nice. Okay. So yeah, the grass feels pretty grindy. So I think just increasing this to a sell price of 3 maybe and just making them more rare, or even 5 and making them like way less. That might be a good idea. Who knows? But yeah, now the grass actually has 0 use to me. So yeah. Goodbye. Oh, I forgot to replant the potatoes, my bad. Let's get a little potato farm going down here. Get some taters. Let's go. Or I should plant my iron seeds, dude. I'm fucking dumb. Get in there, dude. Hit me with that. Oh, pickaxe time. Alright, so I'm gonna start farming some rocks. 500? Alright, luckily we're almost there again. Because the potatoes have been, they've been going good. Alright, we can get that pickaxe. And we can smack some rocks. Oh, rock seeds. Let's go, dude. Fucking plant you back down. Let's get 2 rock seeds. Yeah, it's nuts. Give me some of that more beautiful, succulent land that is always watered. I needs to buy some more stuff. Maybe. I don't think I do. I probably need to get some more iron seeds. Maybe. I don't know. How much is this? 2,000? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna need to index heavily on, probably some fucking... Probably some carrots. Yeah, right now I might be kind of fucked. Actually, no, we have rocks that we can sell. These are gonna be massive. Yeah, Good idea. I need to juice the fuck out of this way more. It doesn't feel good right now. Less clicks on the rocks would also be great. I feel like I'm getting RSI right now, dude. People are 100% gonna complain that that there should be a click to hold. And you know what I'm gonna say to them? I'm gonna say to them, no. I want you to have RSI. My 8-year-long plan of becoming a game developer was just for this. To increase the amount of RSI in the world. And I will never add a click to hold. It's just not gonna happen. Alright, to be fair, I'm click to holding right now, so I'm gonna have to take that out of the game. Can't have that. Oh yeah, I can always rewater crops. That's cool. Oh, the iron's almost done. Let's go, dude. Alright, taters. Fucking give me some of that. 100 bucks. Okay, yeah, so this is within reach now. It's only like 800 away. So yeah, I don't know. The difference between the carrots and the potatoes don't really... There's nothing really there for me right now. Like, I don't feel like buying potato seeds because they cost like double the amount of carrots. Like, I could just buy double the amount of carrots and grow them. Because, like, these take longer to grow. I don't know. Maybe if I make these 150, maybe that's a bit more of a better deal. Oh, look at that iron, dude. Oh, yeah. Iron essence, bro. That's fucking... I'm bricked up right now, dude. I'm like, holy shit, that is interesting. Iron essence? Crafting altar merges items together. Yeah. I really want to get it, but I also want to upgrade this. Yeah, fuck it, we ball, dude. Yes, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna chuck that on there, and we're gonna chuck a fucking little bit of rock. Iron ingot shiny, but now that I have nothing to do with this. That was kind of an L. So again, we're at the end of the content of the game right now, kinda. Like, I want to see what's in here. I know in there is just a big hole that takes in a bunch of iron, so I mean, I guess there's a goal for me there, maybe. Who knows? We shall find out. I forgot to plant my taters. I think I'm gonna buy some carrot seeds, maybe. No, because those will take me like 2 cycles to ROI. Same with these guys. So, yeah, I'm not really feeling that, you know? Just mine some more rocks. Yeah, rocks are kind of where it's at right now. My Skyrim is stopped. How dare you? It's not Skyrim, but that's alright. This is tremendous. Yeah, so I think adding in combat with waves of enemies, like kind of coming in at nighttime from the void, would spice things up a lot. Because we could craft walls with rocks, and then we're kind of, you know, got more stuff to do with that guy. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gamer time right now, dude. Axe. Let's go. Chop chop. Yeah, I don't really have a reason to chop down the trees. I could just drop some wood, and that's like 50. Actually, no, pinewood's 200. Yeah, trees are goated, dude. Maybe I make the iron ingot sellable for like 500. That would actually be a good investment, I think. Maybe 400. Alright, I'm so buying an axe right now, dude. Let's fucking get it. Yes. I am deforesting this land. It's so empty. Let's plant some grass around then. Liven things up a bit, you know. Yeah, so I don't really have a goal or anything to work towards right now. Alright, the pinewood sells fat. For fatness. Me like. Ooh. Rock seeds. Yeah, I'm gonna plant some rocks, I guess. Yeah. I could try and make 150 ingots. No one's gonna do that, surely. Someone's gonna do that. Alright, where are we going? Pine cones. Yeah, fuck you. Ooh, more iron. Let's go. Yeah, so I think what I want to do is make the iron sell for 400 or so. Yeah, so I combine this with stone. 50 plus 150 is 200. If we make it 400 for the combination, then that'll be pretty sexy, I think. Yeah, so I mean, I think that's all the content in the game right now. The player could kind of grind towards unlocking this and unlocking this chunk. There's nothing up here though. So I guess we'll see what people do. Yeah, there's a lot of game here, I think. For 14 days. It's a pretty good effort. Yeah, it just needs a bit more interest. And I think the combat at night, the enemies coming to steal your shit, would be kind of the thing that ties everything together. Because now, you know, you got something to protect. You don't want them taking your gold from the void hole or yeeting your crops. That would be very sad. Ooh, mine. Huge. Need some more stone. Yeah, that's pretty much the game. GG, boys. GG. Game done. Let me iron ingot. E dot sell price equal 400. Yep. Beautiful. So yeah, just gonna keep making this game, honestly. But I'm gonna zip that up. I'm gonna build this guy. Let's throw in a debug version string, v0.1. Okay. Gonna build that guy, and then zip her up. Do 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 do. Game 9 version 0.1 doesn't even have a name yet. Oh yeah, now we're talking. And I'm gonna do the customary make a new folder for my builds. Game 9. Throw that in there. Game 9 builds. I'm gonna pin that to the old quick access. Yes, sir. Put this all the way up the top here, because that's the output of all the work. This right here, this is the output of 14 days of grindage. Pure, unrelenting grindage right there. Beautiful. Alright, well, that's a GG. In terms of what I'm actually going to do now, I'm going to make an itch page. I'm just going to do this all offline, but make an itch page. Actually, I might not even make an itch page. I think I'll just send this to my friends and some people in Discord and playtest. And like just record those, and then we can come back for round 2. But you know, overall, in terms of like big overarching goals, I think so I'm gonna go build v0.1 done. That's up there. This guy needs to yeah. So I think the next kind of big milestone here, because the V1 demo is done, is Steam page. Alright, Steam page, announce, trailer, and then later on, once the Steam page and the announce is done, we do a demo. Yeah. But I think, like, demo for what? Like what is the purpose behind it? It's kind of fuzzy to me right now. We need some kind of like clear next goal to sprint towards. That was kind of like the proof of concept for the game. It's done now. It's fun. I like it. Still got to play test, but that's alright. So yeah, what is the goal now? Honestly, I'd just say B2. V0.2. Yeah, really, it's just getting the Steam page up. Like that, I can't do anything in terms of like mass videos or marketing or anything until the Steam page is up. Otherwise, it's there's no bucket to catch the wish lists. And yeah, that would be silly. So I think I'll probably tomorrow when I wake up, we'll start grinding on the trailer. Yeah. And then I think... yeah, Steam demo. I think that's where it's at. Or maybe like a web demo. I don't know. Kind of torn. I think web demo because that's like actionable. Like I can get that done without waiting for anything. But I do want to submit the build to Steam ASAP so we can iterate on the demo. Because if we got the demo, then we got a way of kind of being epic on Steam. And just having, like, the longer the Steam page is up with the demo, the more it'll just kind of sit there and collect wish lists. Right? So it's like massive milestone. Like that's when the marketing starts, right? And then the longer I let that simmer, the more I just kind of like work, then put us in a good spot to launch into early access. So yeah, I don't want to plan too many steps ahead. So I'm just gonna say tomorrow we're gonna wake up, work on the probably first and foremost the Steam page because I don't need any trailer for that. I just want to get the Steam page set up and the screenshots and all that kind of shit. And then yeah, do the trailer. And then just wait for like however long it takes to get approved. Whilst working on the demo for this guy. Cause yeah, what do I want in V2? Smelting. I want I kind of want combat. Like basic enemies. Because that's like a big thing missing right now. It's like a big part of the game. Yeah, I would say enemy raids at night. And I think that's what I want for V2. Yes, yeah, being able to test that I think will be good. So yeah, next steps, Steam page announce trailer, get that good. Because the whole point of me doing the player today was so that I could actually go record a trailer now. Because he's not a white square, we can actually do something with this. Yeah. Yeah, just more content, more game. I'm not gonna stop until I'm completely burnt out and exhausted from it. So we'll just keep cranking. Really. Keep cranking, but gotta get the Steam page and the trailer up. ASAP. Because this is a full game right here. Gameplay loops in. It's got the identity. It's easy to showcase what it is. Alright, well, that's gonna be me it for the day. Successful sprint towards v0.1. Pats on the back. All round, boys. GG. Let's run it again. V2. I think I want to do a full Steam demo launch in 2 weeks. I think that's the next goal. So like, actually, okay. Next goal, bit ambitious, but I'm thinking full early access release in 2 weeks. So that's just me continuing to add content to the game. I'm not actually going to hit the 2-week mark for the full early access, I don't think. But full kind of 2-week sprint, alright, towards that. And then ideally at the end of it, it would be in a state where I've got a bunch of game over here and I've got enough to make a trailer, enough to make a demo with it. So we can make like a full kind of demo release in 2 weeks. Because it would be like a subset of the full game, if that makes sense. So I want to make as much content as I can for the next 2 weeks. But put it in a state where I can like demo wall off the ladder, if that makes sense. So like it would literally look like in the shop or something, or in the land, instead of saying cost, it would be ruled out with like a demo sticker underneath it. Same for, you know, some of the stuff from the shop. It would just be like locked and it says demo. And then there would be a yeah, just a call to action, a wish list, a full game. I really want that. I don't want to do any kind of like public release until that's there, and there's a Steam page. Because otherwise, like, it's kind of a waste in my eyes. But yeah, continue to crank for the next 2 weeks. That is really the plan. Bottom line, keep cranking. Because man, this is a fucking game. This has got mad potential. I'm really excited to continue to work on this. Like having enemies come out and doing like some basic combat somehow, even if it's just clicking on them to start off with. Just some kind of defense would be great. Just a whole new axis of content. Because I could have like specific seeds or like crafting recipes or something for like spikes, like spiky plants that I would like then like lay down here so that when enemies walk through them, they die. I just threw 50 rocks into the hole. It's over, dude. Iron essence, 50 of these guys. Holy shit, we're at 14,000 gold. Tremendous. Yeah. I think that would be hype. And just more shit. More shit. I would like to start automating at some point, but in order to do that, I've got to have the full pipeline, so we've only got the crafting altar right now. So I got to get the furnace in for smelting the ore. And yeah, maybe some basic automation would be good, because then like that's how this first goal would be met, because you wouldn't want to manually craft 150 iron ingots. Maybe, but I'm thinking like this will force you to figure out, okay, how can I automate this? Yeah, so maybe that's the play. Who knows? I'm gonna go grab some food and head off to bed. And I'll see you boys tomorrow. where we make the trailer, get the Steam page up, do some marketing. I might actually just record that offline because I don't think I can show Steam page setup stuff on stream. I'm pretty sure it's like NDA'd. So I might have to crank offline. But there will be a video recorded. And it will be available to those who need it. But yeah. So I guess I don't know when I'm going to be streaming again. Basically, as soon as I start working on the game again fully, content-wise. So probably... I'd say I'd probably take the whole day to do the trailer and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, trailer, Steam page setup. I'll probably take the whole day to do that tomorrow. So maybe the day after, we'll start streaming again on development. But yeah, I gotta do the boring stuff and make some money. Yeah, baby. Alright, yeah, no, that's me done. Make sure we commit this up. You know what? For the sake of, maybe I commit the builds in the repo. I don't know how wise that is. I don't know. I don't actually need to because I can just kind of I was nearly about to discard that, bro. I can jump back in time to this. But anyway, I'm gonna say ship v1 done. And dusted. All right. Good night, fellas. Peace out. Take it easy. Or don't. Go as hard as you want.